Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. Today I am going to present live commentary on natural gas inventory, which is just about to come in a few seconds. Oh, the inventory has come. Here you can see that natural gas inventory has been announced and a weekly injection of only 46 billion is there. This is much more less than the expected levels of 58 billion. Fact is much more evident on the movement of natural gas futures prices. In an hourly chart, you can see that we have seen a sharp shoot from the levels of $2.706 to $2.759. I think that the natural gas futures will try to sustain above the level of $2.747 for a few minutes. Let us have a look at the movement of natural gas futures in a 15 minutes chart. You can see that all the moving averages have been turned towards upward and natural gas futures have come up 200 days moving average in a 15-minute chart, and I think that we will try to sustain above the level of $2.767. I find inventory announcement is too supportive for the natural gas bulls, as the trade war fear has been escalated up to a much more extent after the announcement of Europe that they are not going to retaliate the President Trump's move of increasing tariff on cars and car parts. So I find that this lesser injection will be evident enough for the upcoming week, because demand will be higher for the natural gas futures during the summers. Natural gas remain in good demand due to the forecast for warmer than normal weather in most parts of the United States. I find that bulls will encash this opportunity. Let us have a look at the movements of natural gas futures in a 5-minute chart. Here you can see that natural gas futures are still maintaining above the level of $2.747. Now let us have a look at the movement of natural gas futures in an hourly chart. Here you can see that in an hourly chart, natural gas futures are going to cross 200 days moving average, and 20 DMA along with 20 days exponential moving average have turned upward and trying to move in upward direction. This indicates the continuity of an steep move from the current levels, and I find that up to weekly closing, natural gas futures will try to cross the level of $2.888. If we find a closing above level of $2.913, bulls will remain in command. Let us have a look at the movement of natural gas futures for next 1 hour, which will be very decisive for the sustenance of natural gas futures above the level of $2.767. That will be very crucial for the upliftment of natural gas futures, which are currently trading at a very concessional level. I expect a good buying spree from the current level, and if we try to sustain above the level of $2.767, from there you can find a spree of short covering above the level of $2.888. Here you can see that here in an hourly chart we can see a spurt in fresh buying is a good opportunity for the natural gas bulls to go long, as the natural gas will be in good demand during the upcoming season, and the current stockpiles are not enough to meet the demand for natural gas all over the world, especially when the tariff trade war is going to escalate with the statement from European nations. I find that commodities which have gone at their lowest levels will try to move upward from their current level. On analysis of the movement of natural gas futures, I find that a weekly closing above this level or above the level of $2.888, we will see a gap up opening on the first trading session of the week of July 22nd, 2018. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. For regular updates on commodities, subscribe my YouTube channel SS Analysis.